Hey mom and dad, summer has snuck up on us and these kids are playing hard and their appetites are beyond what our budget can afford. So I like to put together these budget-friendly snack bins for the kids. That way they can pick and choose what they desire to eat before dinner. I feel like it makes them more independent and it teaches them portion control because once it's gone until the next week. I also love it because they don't have to keep nagging you for something to eat. We all know how that song go, y'all. Sing it with me. I'm hungry. Y'all, it doesn't take much to make these snack bins, especially if you're shopping at Walmart and Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and put together these summer snack bins. Y'all, so let's start with Dollar Tree. So we have some Toastum cherries, just like Pop-Tarts, y'all. Jocelyn requested these. She likes the cherry one, so I grabbed the strawberry too. And right here we have your Libby's pineapple tidbits, y'all. It comes with 3 in a pack. I just have 2 of that. And then we have the Libby's mango. It has 2. I grabbed 2 of that. Alright, Dollar Tree also have these happy drinks. It comes in a 4-pack. You have the variety pack, and this is just the raspberry, blue raspberry. These containers isn't large at all. They'll be done guzzle that down. So I grabbed 4 packs of the happy drinks, y'all. Dollar Tree has these Tampico like popsicles, y'all. Blue raspberry punch, tropical punch, citrus punch, and kiwi strawberry punch. This is not a part of the haul, but I thought this was pretty cool. And because black pepper is so freaking expensive, I went ahead and grabbed me a black pepper from Dollar Tree, and I grabbed the bleach. Y'all know I love to clean with Dollar Tree bleach. As y'all can see, the bottle is smaller than what it used to be, honey. Y'all know everybody is cutting back some kind of way, y'all. On to Walmart. So I grabbed the kids these easy cup noodles where they can just throw inside the microwave, and I make sure to let them know what a freaking plate, because y'all know these things will leak. So I went ahead and grabbed 12 of these, y'all. They have like a variety of flavors. Hot and spicy chicken. Jocelyn chose the lime with shrimp, the roasted chicken. Then you have the regular chicken flavor. The kids both agreed on this box of chips for this week. You have your flaming hot mix this go around. It comes with the Fritos, Doritos, and Cheetos. So they were excited about that. And again, y'all, these are quick items where the kids can just throw inside the microwave, like coming home from camp or just playing outside if they get hungry before dinner time. This is just something that they can quickly put inside the microwave and that can satisfy their hunger for the time being. So I went ahead and grabbed the shells and cheese. This is a great value, of course. Another one of the kids' favorite. No, it's not the healthiest, not at all. But look, honey, look. It's the instant cheddar cheese grits. Just something quick that they can put inside the microwave for breakfast. Heat it up with some sausage and it'll be good to go. These were a great buy, y'all. We got 2 for the price of 1. The name brand were running the name brands were running like $6.48, y'all, and we got these at like $3.50 if I'm not mistaken. So I thought that was a really great buy. The kids like it. It's really good. And of course, who don't like chocolate chip cookies? Last but not least, we have the glazed honey buns and the cosmic brownies, y'all. So let's go ahead and put together these snack bins. Alright, so as you can see, these are the 2 baskets that we're going to be using. Nothing fancy. I just used what we had in the house. While we were in Dollar Tree, we accidentally forget to get baskets. Well, at least 1 basket, because we had these ones, of course. So we're just going to use what we have and start it in no particular order. I have these right here. I'm going to do 2 of the shells and cheese. And then I'm going to do the noodles, y'all. So that's how I'm going to do it. So they can have hot and spicy. Chicken. And they can swap it out, of course, if this is not what they want. So that's just what I'm going to do. And they're going to get the fruit. They have some pineapples. I'm going to do I think I'm just going to let them do 3 of this. And for this week, we'll do the pineapples. And the chips, y'all. I know Jocelyn love these flaming hot Cheetos. The kiwi one too, because she likes it too. And they also have, what's that? The juice. The that. And then you have your breakfast. So we're gonna have the strawberry. And Jocelyn likes the cherry. Another breakfast. I'm going to do 5 and 5. And y'all know these kids is not going to eat all of this, so it will last. They'll have some for the next week. I will definitely keep y'all updated on how this go, y'all. And they have a little snack. I already know Pee-wee doesn't want any of this, so I'm going to give Jocelyn 3. And remember, y'all, they'll be eating these stuff throughout the week. And then I'll give Pee-wee 3. That way next week I can re-up with these same products. Alright, y'all, now we have these juices. Oh, I know they're gonna go crazy. They could be looking at my pick because the only thing they can have to drink after these juices gone is water. Water, y'all. Water. And I mean it too. Y'all want to run through it? Go right ahead. Go right ahead. And I wonder if y'all be saying the same thing too to y'all kids. Because they will. My kids are some guzzlers. They love to drink, y'all. All day. All year. And I'm going to give them the sugar packets. I have sugar packets to distribute as well. Let me show y'all real quick. Right here, y'all, this is just the Crystal Light that I grabbed from Walmart. This is the lemonade flavor, and then they had the fruit punch flavor. I'm gonna put 4 in each. Of course, they have to drink their plain regular water, and then they get the chance to put these drops in the water. That would make up for a sweet drink. So that's just how I'm going to do it. And yes, y'all,